Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Copperfield knot. Another literary classic. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put my collar up here. I'm going to put my tie at my belt line as usual. We're going to come over here, put our dimple in, and bring it over to the center. I'm going to come around here. I'm going to do a couple passes with the cylinder. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that. Now what I want to do, get that dimple in there. I want to open up this one, this top one, and go down like this. That's where we have that. So then I want to come over here and do the same thing on the other side. So there we have that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come across the top here, straight back like that. Tighten this up. I got to tighten this up here to make it. Open that up, tighten that, and then what I'm going to come do is I'm going to do a wreath across the top and put that underneath there like that. Let me go ahead and put my collar down here. I'll put my buttons in as I'm doing this. I'm going to let you know again, SimmonsEssentials on Instagram. Follow me there. Let me put my buttons in here so you can see what it looks like framed with the collar. Kind of want that to be a little up. Kind of open it up just a little bit so you can see the detail there. So there you have the Copperfield again. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Peace and God bless.